Taidai AI is one of the most talked about AI tools that just hit the market. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or someone looking to improve your workflow, this software has been making waves. By the end, you'll know exactly what makes Taidai AI stand out in a crowded market, and whether it's the right fit for you. Trust me, you don't want to miss the last point. It might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. Before we dive into the details, if you're curious about trying Taidai AI for yourself, check out the first link in the description below. You can try it completely free and see if it's a good fit for your needs. Now let's get into what you should know about Taidai AI, starting with one of the key features that has users buzzing. Taidai AI shines when it comes to automating tasks. With its seamless integration into various workflows, you can save hours every week by letting the software handle repetitive tasks. It's especially useful for digital marketers who need to quickly analyze data and make decisions. Whether it's optimizing ad campaigns or managing social media outreach, this software allows you to automate many aspects of your marketing, reducing the manual workload. Another big selling point of Taidai AI is its user-friendly interface. A lot of AI tools can be intimidating for newcomers, but Taidai keeps things simple with an intuitive dashboard. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. This makes it accessible to everyone, from small business owners to large teams who want to streamline their processes. Now, if you're looking for flexibility, Taidai AI offers an impressive set of customization options. Whether you're working on content creation or data analytics, you can adjust the software settings to fit your specific goals. This level of customization means you can mold Taidai AI to your business needs, making it incredibly versatile across various industries. One of the most powerful aspects of Taidai AI is its AI-driven insights. The software doesn't just automate tasks, it also analyzes data and generates actionable insights in real time. For example, if you're running an ad campaign, Taidai AI can suggest adjustments based on performance data, giving you an edge in improving ROI without having to manually go through tons of data yourself. Speaking of data, one of the reasons Taidai AI stands out is its ability to handle big data efficiently. Whether you're running a large marketing campaign or managing complex customer databases, this software is designed to process and analyze massive amounts of data quickly. This is a huge advantage for anyone dealing with big data, as it enables faster decision-making and lets you stay ahead of the competition. Another reason why Taidai AI is gaining attention is because of its advanced machine learning capabilities. It learns from your inputs and improves its performance over time. This means the more you use it, the better it gets at understanding your business's specific needs. It's like having an AI assistant that's constantly learning and evolving to provide better results for you. Lastly, let's talk about support and updates. Taidai AI's team is committed to continuous improvement. They frequently update the software to keep up with the latest trends and technological advancements. Plus, their customer support is responsive, meaning if you run into any issues, you're not left in the dark. So after exploring these crucial points, you can see that Taidai AI is a powerful tool for anyone looking to improve their efficiency and productivity. If you want to dive deeper, check the first link below to try it for free and see if it's the right fit for you. And before you go, don't forget to check out my recommended AI software tools in the description. After trying thousands of them, these are the ones I personally stand by.